Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front panel screw on your washer's pedestal. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is broken, damaged, or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So at the bottom of our washer here, we've got our pedestal. So we'll open that up here. And on the front here, for our panel, we've got 4 screws that are supposed to hold the front panel on. However, we're missing the one right here. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on your online store. So this is going to be just a Phillips head screwdriver. And the hole should be lined up nice and easy so you can put it in. And screw that screw in all the way. And once you've got it in there nice and tight, you just double check, make sure the front panel's secure, and then you can close up your pedestal drawer and your repair is complete. I bet you didn't know, I used to be a lumberjack, but I couldn't hack it, so they gave me the axe. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.